Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip an image in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Lightroom. And here it usually opens up in the gallery, but from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After selecting a picture and after it loads, we have to go into crop. And here in crop, in the bottom right side, there is flip H and flip V. If we tap on flip H, then it's going to flip the picture horizontally. But if we tap on flip V, then it's going to flip the image vertically. You can play around and create interesting compositions like this. You can rotate the image as well, but this is how we flip it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.